If your Bluehost email is not sending or receiving, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to troubleshoot it step by step. Whether you can't send messages, can't receive replies, or your mailbox just seems stuck, these checks will help you figure out what's going wrong and get your email working again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the first and most important step. Log into your Bluehost account and go to the email section. This is where you can manage your email accounts, review settings, and access the tools you need to test everything properly. Once you're in the email area, find the email account that's giving you trouble and click Check Email. This lets you open the mailbox and confirm that the account is active and accessible. Now the next step is to test the actual sending process. Send a test email from your Bluehost email address to another email address that you can access, such as Gmail or Outlook. Keep it simple and just use a short subject line and a basic message. This helps you see whether the problem is happening on the sending side. After that, go to the other email account and send a test message back to your Bluehost email. This tells you whether the issue is with receiving messages as well. If the test email doesn't go through, the next place to check is your DNS settings. Go to Domains, select your domain, and then open DNS. Here, you need to make sure the MX records are set correctly for your Bluehost email. Our records are what tell the internet where your email should be delivered, so if they're wrong, your messages may never arrive. Double check that the records match the Bluehost email setup for your domain. If you recently changed hosting, updated your domain, or moved email providers, this step is especially important. Once you've confirmed the DNS and MX records, go back to Bluehost and open the email section again. Find the same email account and check the storage or quota. Sometimes emails stop sending or receiving simply because the mailbox is full. If the account has reached its limit, you won't be able to receive new messages properly, and in some cases, sending can also be affected depending on the setup. If the mailbox is full, delete old emails you no longer need, especially large messages or messages with attachments. You can also empty the trash and spam folders if they're taking up space. If you need more room, increase the storage quota if your Bluehost plan allows it. After that, save the settings and test the email again. Now repeat the sending and receiving test one more time. Send yourself another test email, then reply from a second email account and see if everything is coming through correctly. This second test is important because sometimes a fix won't take effect immediately, and sometimes the issue is caused by more than one setting. Testing again helps you confirm whether the problem is actually solved. If your Bluehost email still isn't sending or receiving after checking the mailbox, storage, and DNS records, the final step is to contact Bluehost support. At this point, there may be a server-side issue, a configuration problem, or something specific to your account that needs deeper troubleshooting. Their support team can help verify settings and look for issues that aren't visible from your dashboard. So to quickly recap, log into Bluehost, open email, check your account, test sending and receiving, verify your MX records in DNS, check your storage quota, free up space if needed, save everything, and test again. If it still doesn't work, reach out to Bluehost support. If this video helped you fix your Bluehost email issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.